Mana? Yang belon eh? Gaya abang tradisional. Aduh, 5.5 baru brother.
Mana Jumaat?
Alright guys, Assalamualaikum. Kita hari ni dekat Royal Gala daripada Everett di Concord Hotel Shah Alam. Kita nak siap-siap ni, dah nak start event sebenarnya. Hari ni kita tengok macam mana event ni jalan. Tahu? Patio nombor 3. Mana? Sini.
Yes, kita lihat ayam kan? Ayam. Bukan nasi. Too much kan ada nasi.
Macam mana-mana.
Full review.
Kalau fragile lah. Kalau kau tak fragile, tapi macam mana dia? Campak lah.
Apa tak rosak ni? Tengok ke report.
Masih dia sama lagi ya rasa.
Aku sama kan.
A few moments later.
Antara anjing.
without you near me, the days will all be empty. The night will seem so long. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know it takes us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now, and I want to live without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, I love you.
Okay, first set kita baru saja selesai. Kita tunggu second set jap. Dalam sekarang pukul 7.50 minit petang, minit malam lah. Jadi second set dijangka pukul 8.10 nanti. Sementara ni diorang ada makan malam, kemudian ada acara lah seterusnya tak tahulah acara apa kan. Sesi apa saya tak pasti. Tapi band rehat jap sebab cuma lepak santai tu. Nas, Yin dengan anak-anak dia, Pak Mirul, siapa ni? Kita punya tuan manager dengan keyboardist itu tak tahu gimana. Mungkin mencari nafas lah kot. Alright, kita layan malam ni santai.
But there is something left in my head. I passed the judges.
Lihatlah diriku yang kehilangan. Tanpa dirimu sayang, siapalah aku. Sayang menyayang,
Anak kau tinggal lagi. Eras tutto, I didn't my way.
But tell me, does the kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rule must be obeyed. The judges will decide the likes of me above. Spectators of the show always staying long. The game is on again, a lover or a friend, a big thing or a small. It's simple and plain. Why should I complain? The winner take it
Okey, set kedua habis. Baru saja selesai set kedua. Jadi kita rehat sekejap. Mungkin kalau ada sesi seterusnya, saya tak pasti sesi apa. Mungkin cabutan toh ataupun anugerah, nampak macam-macam hadiah ada belakang tu. Jadi kita rehat sekejap. Okey, untuk setup kita hari ni macam biasa, 3-piece saxophone. Kita ada multi effect, reverb sekali. Keyboard Ome macam biasa. Dan penyanyi kita Nas mic SM58. Lepas tu 2 monitor dan 2 top. Itu saja. Santai dan sempoi. Nampak?
Were you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Do you think I crumble? Do you think I lay down and die? Oh no, no, right. I will survive as long as I know how to love. I know I'm still alive. I got my life to live. I got my love to give. I will survive. one who tried to break me with goodbye. Do you think I crumble? Do you think I'll lay down and die? Oh no, I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I got my life to live, I got my life to give. I will survive. Oh, I will survive. Thank you very much. That was our last song for tonight.
Okey, band kita sudah pun selesai performance. Jadi semua dah balik pun. Kita punya artis dan juga penyanyi. Sekarang ni tengah ada sesi cabutan bertuah. Lepas tu mungkin akan tamat lah kita punya ataupun majlis hari ni. Harapnya lah tinggal berapa lagi cabutan bertuah je tu. Alright. Okey, kita baru saja selesai set up. Majlis berjalan dengan lancar, band pemain mantap. 3 set memang smooth je. Lift pun dah sampai. Kita nak bergerak. Lalu kan. Satu. Okey. Tergendala sikit sama boleh. Okey. Overall majlis memang berjalan lancar. Cepat betul. Okey, sambung boleh. Kita dah sampai di tingkat 1. Okey, kita nak load balik barang semua dalam Glory. Lepas tu kita boleh balik dah. Alhamdulillah. Jumpa lagi video yang akan datang. Ciao.